The School Kids. SZ. Learn with fun. Hello kids, how are you? The magic words. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. Good bye. Hi. May I? Please. Excuse me? Thank you. I am sorry. You are welcome. Magic words are very important for the kids to learn. These magic words teach the child to be respectful in the way they speak. Thanks for watching video. Like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.